Hello guys, welcome back to day 18 of Python for Beginners tutorial. In day 18, I will show you how to count the occurrences of word in a file. This project will cover all the topics, including dictionary and file handling in Python. So to count the number of occurrences of each word in a given text file, you can use the following steps. Define a function, then open the text file in the text create a dictionary to store the number of occurrences of each word. Iterate over the words in the text file. For each word, increment the count in the dictionary and return the result as a dictionary. Basically, counting the number of occurrences of each word in a given text file is a common task, especially in natural language processing. If you want to work on natural language processing, so this tutorial is very useful. There are several ways to approach this problem, but one of the simplest and most efficient method is to use a dictionary to store the word counts. So let's first define a function that counts the occurrence of each word. And this function takes the argument file name, and then let's define the dictionary, animated dictionary, which stores the counts of each word. And we first open the file. So you know how to find file is context manager. So I have a sample file name for txt, and I just use read mode to read that file. And then for every line in a file, read each line of the file. If the file may contain multiple lines, so let's define a new words line with function and split. Each line, a single line may contain multiple words, so I just split the line into multiple words and store in a list. Okay, this split method is a string manipulation method that gonna split the sentence into words with separated by space, and remove after splitting into words. It's gonna remove the spaces in the beginning and ending of the word and store in a words as a list. Now I'm going to iterate over the words, and if that word is found in word underscore counts in the dictionary, then it's gonna be incremented by 1 because that word is occurring again, and I just call the dictionary word counts. The key could be that word as a key, and it's gonna increment by 1. That is the value, and otherwise it takes that word and the value could be 1 because there is no occurrence greater than 1. Okay, now it's gonna return the dictionary word counts, and let me call the function, and the file name actually here I can use the parameter file name as an argument, and I pass the file name sample.txt. Okay, then let me print the dictionary word counts. As you can see, the contents are split into word and count each of the occurrence of the word and create a dictionary with the key is the word and the value is the occurrence of that word in the contents of that file. So, for example, counting occurred one time, the word there occurred 3 times. Occurrences, for example, occurred one time, and each of the words are splitted and just created a dictionary. So this is very essential for, especially if you want to work on natural language processing, because every text should be converted, splitted into tokens. So then counts the occurrence of each word in the text. We can also iteratively print for every word and value in word counts those items. This method is going to convert the dictionary into list of tuples. And I can print the word is the key and the value is the occurrence of that word. You see? So this is what's called counting the occurrences of each word in a given text files. So this is sample. So you can work on large data to find the occurrence of each words or characters or whatever you wanna do. So I hope this tutorial is helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Write comments below. Thanks for watching today.